Could seaweed help to beat obesity? Seaweed isn't technically a plant, but it does have some serious plant power. But first, want to hear some scary numbers? Probably not, so we'll be quick about it. By 2050, half of the UK population could be obese. Obesity already costs us £4.2 billion per year, and that could double. In the UK, fat makes up about 40% of our diet. This adds up to a crisis for health and economy. So, what can we do about it? Researchers found that alginate from seaweeds, especially kelp, helps to stop the body from digesting fat. And we don't get the side effects that come with other anti-obesity treatments. Alginate is in lots of foods we eat, but there isn't enough to do the trick. So, just stop eating your favorite foods and eat seaweed instead. Just kidding. Fat-busting alginates are easily extracted and incorporated into other foods. When researchers used it in bread, tasters actually preferred the seaweed bread. No seaweed flavor, same great texture, extra fat-busting magic. You won't even know it's there, but your body will thank you. This is one more way that everyday plants and seaweed are doing amazing things.